coffee time with Abby. Aaron's crying. Morning.
Good morning to you. Alright, if you're watching this vlog, that means we have 3 other vlogs up. You need to head over to those and like, comment your favorite part. And now, where are we headed, baby?
Monterey.
Monterey. So I'm excited.
Also, we're getting slightly earlier of a start than last weekend, aren't we? Earlier start. We're getting better at this weekend travel thing. It's 7:41 Pacific time. So we're gradually extending our weekends and maybe one day we'll leave on a Friday. It's confession time. Please tell the family, the YouTube fam.
Alright, so I didn't get much sleep last night because I thought Red Dawn was happening. I'm on TikTok last night, about to lay down, and then boom, the first video in like Salinas, California. There's all these, it looks like meteors or rockets. And also this week, or I think yesterday, yesterday there was an article that Russia subs were firing practice missiles in the Pacific. So I'm thinking, okay, these are missiles coming to wipe out a part of the country. Meteors, ships, missiles, still nobody knows. I gotta get out and see for myself if I'm about to get bombed.
Okay, and pause on that. My perspective, I'm fast asleep, getting some good slumber. And I didn't even remember until this morning. Aaron says, I'm really tired, I didn't sleep well. And then I had a flashback. I was like, wait a second. Did I dream this, or did you go outside in the middle of the night looking for UFOs? And he said, no. Yeah, I did.
UFOs / missiles. I wasn't thinking it was aliens. I thought maybe we were getting bombed in California and I had to be ready to roll.
Either way, Aaron was more than likely on an alien hunt last night in the middle of the night. So now he's tired.
So we are at Monterey Bay.
That's the quietest I've heard you talk in 3 years.
People are listening. About to go to Fisherman's Wharf and eat some good food. Oh, the menu. This will be the first time we've had fresh seafood that's actually from local. Mm-hmm. They catch it here in the Monterey Bay, which is really cool. We're definitely about to try that. YouTube eats first, you said?
Yeah,
YouTube eats first. You're welcome.
Thank you all.
Awesome.
Thank you.
That's 10 times better than any calamari I've ever had in my life.
And it's
Not
free
even more.
and fresh.
You in your habitat?
Yes. Next, coffee.
Yeah. They got gummy whales.
You're a gummy whale.
Because it's Whale Fest.
Yeah, we're at Whale Fest. Who knew?
Fest in Monterey Bay.
Why'd nobody tell us that?
What'd you get?
Cappuccino on the Wharf.
Cappuccino on the Wharf. Just like the sign said.
That's what the sign said.
Oh,
Did
no.
you get that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so new thing. Each video, what's it called? Easter egg. My Easter egg is going to be coffee time with Abby.
No, it's not. Easter eggs where you,
Do I not know what
you
Easter
throw.
egg is?
No, it's got to be snuck into the video, and
This is
then they
sneaky.
have to. Yeah.
I'm sneaky.
So there's a bunch of massive seals.
Yes, I see them. I see them.
You see
They're so
them?
loud. Oh my gosh, Aaron. They're so cute. They're laying on each other. Okay, that's
so
my
cool.
new dream pet. Look, you gotta look in there.
Oh my goodness, they are just laying on each other.
They're so cute. They're laying on each other and screaming.
long you been doing this?
So I started in 2016, 2017 with a way smaller bike, and it was just one tap tower, one little flavor.
Let's do mocha.
Mocha it is, my guy.
Good.
We'll keep it simple. It's an Odie, right? Just making sure.
Beautifully done.
Shaky, no breakfast here. Thank you very much, dude. I really appreciate it.
Hey, no problem, dude.
Be safe on your journeys.
Doing what you love, bro.
I want to sip for sure.
Yeah, it's really good. Really
Okay,
good.
that is
Really
tasty.
good.
Holy crap, that's smooth. Aww. They look like they'll try to sit up and then they're like, nah.
They're all laying on the rocks. You walk on the rocks and get close.
We could. Are they going to charge us? Like,
Charge us? What? A felony?
no, like,
You're gonna charge us with a felony?
no, like, are the sea lions going to charge us? Are they sea lions?
Yeah, sea lions. Yeah. Baby, charge us with what legs?
Flop at
They
us.
gotta flop at us. I think we can get away from the town.
Caught in the act of yawning.
Took a nap in the car for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Fell asleep straight up.
His nighttime alien search that went on last night and kept him awake is really getting to him now. He woke up like suddenly and then just started operating the vehicle, so may or may not be very safe. Tired, bull.
We tired. When
Not
you're tired.
tired.
We're tired.
We are not tired. We are past that. We are tired.
That's when you know you're tired.
Tired.
Yeah, I'm from Kentucky. Get over it. What do you think?
I want to live right here on this beach.
I do too.
for the rest of my life. Actually, in that cave.
I do too. We are heading to eat. We're going to Santa Cruz and then stay the night in a hotel there on the water. And we just got back from driving up and down Highway 1. So we went to the Big Sur area and we went over like the famous bridge. The videos that we have still don't do it justice. I mean, it's just like such a breathtaking spot, was it not? And then like we walked on the beach. This person had this awesome beach proposal. We kept going around the coastline and found like this hidden cave that was like opened up. The area out here in California is so diverse. And if you have never been to California, you really need to try to plan a trip out here, because it's just, it'll take your breath away. Like so many different spots we see are so different. We just like get overwhelmed. But it's one of the prettiest places we've ever seen on the Highway 1.
Yeah. Yeah, Highway 1 was beautiful.
It was
The beach
awesome.
just now like blew my mind.
Yeah. So if y'all, man, experiences are what matter in life. Save up, go on trips and experiences. Don't waste it on material things.
Seriously.
Because you'll remember this forever, and it's just, it's incredible. It really is.
Good night. It's 9 o'clock. Bedtime. Yeah, it's definitely bedtime.
I'm so tired.
Same. We're never staying up past 9 p.m. again.
I'm done. I'm done with it.
That was way too late.
I can't move. I'm stuck. My back and hamstrings and butts so sore. Did I say
Your
butts
butts?
plural?
I'm tired for real. But no, I'm so sore.
Night night.
Dude, I'm so tired. I
I'm.
hope there's
anyway.
no UFOs tonight, because I don't feel like getting out.
You're on call. You're on call with the alien.
I'm not even going to look at TikTok because I don't want to see no more UFOs flying at me. I can't get out tonight. I'm tired.
I'm too tired.
Somebody else can take the shift. I got to go to bed.
I just now went to check into the hotel, and there was a sign on the door that said, it was like pointing this way, and it was like, don't come in here. It didn't say that, but it was like, go to the kiosk if you're checking in. I'm like, okay. I looked, and there's like this little glowing kiosk, blue and red lights around it. I'm like, okay, I guess I'm just going to touch the screen. I touched it, And then this man popped up and he was like, hello. I didn't know if it was a recording
What
or
if he was an AI, not a real person? What you talking about?
We're in a carb coma. You were the one that got me off track. Anyway, he pops up, says hello, and I'm like, what the frick?
Abby stares at him for about 10 seconds.
No, about 2, but my face was like, hi. And then he's like, hello, ma'am. And I was like,
God, he probably thought, who is this country bumpkin?
hi there. I'm here to check in. He walked me through the steps to check in. This guy, it was a FaceTime call, kind of. The best part was that he was sitting at a desk. He was in a green screen, and the background was the lit up hotel, and his head was just floating, and it was like, it looked like he was sitting in the parking lot of the hotel. I told him, I was like, this is really interesting. I've never seen one of these. And he was like, oh, well, welcome to the future, Abigail.
That's an AI. That was an AI. He's not real.
No, he was definitely real. Oh,
He's not real.
The whole
AI.
time I was wondering, is he in this building or is he elsewhere?
Sir, what room you in?
I didn't want him to think I was like,
Sir, what room
are you here? And then my little receipt printed out and my room ticket printed out of
Dude,
this machine.
That's weird.
Carb comas are real. What are my other life lessons of the day? Kiosks are from the
A big
future.
deal.
And aliens are out at night. And Aaron's an alien fighter.
Aliens are here. I need one of y'all to take my shift tonight. I'm too tired.
And Aaron is a Space Force man at night. Aaron, oh yeah, that's my final life lesson of the day before we close for the night, and then we'll see you tomorrow. Everyone out there, I just found out last night that Aaron is an undercover. He's in the Space Force. Isn't that what it's called?
Yeah.
I found that out last night in the middle of the night. So that's my life lessons of the day. Welcome to the future, Abigail. Anyway, this is a 20-minute video, so we're gonna go to sleep now at 9:13 p.m.
Oh my gosh, it's 10 minutes. Probably ramble. Good night, you two.
Good night, YouTube.
That's it. Until next week.
Also, if you stuck around this long to the very end of the video, we love you. And thanks for hanging out for our shenanigans. More to come.
Are you happy? You get your fix? Wow, that's a really pretty sky back. Oh, wow, that's pretty. A UFO pinged me from outer space and got me sick because I was close to catching them.
This weekend really came full circle, didn't it?
That's what those missiles were. It was ships probing Americans that weren't getting close to the truth. Right, there they go. There we go. They don't want me looking. They want my eyes closed. So they got me sick where I close my eyes all day. It's genius.